Just imagine coming home to this gorgeous home in the Rosepine School District. Hardly lived in and freshly painted inside and out. The kitchen features brand new soft close cabinets, new countertops, new backsplash, new appliances, and breakfast bar. Eat in your formal dining room with hardwood flooring or the large breakfast nook. Stunning double tray ceiling and hardwood floors in the great room. King-sized bed. No problem in this gigantic master suite with 2 huge walk-in closets and tray ceiling. You don't have to share a sink, this suite has 2. Relax in your corner garden tub or take a shower. The choice is yours. All this plus an oversized 2-car garage, storage shed and beautiful landscaping perfectly situated on 1 acre of land in a convenient, friendly neighborhood. What are you waiting for?